In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Hi, my name is Saad Usman. Today I would like to explain the concept of mole and the molar mass. Please don't forget to subscribe if you are new on our channel. Let's begin. Have you ever heard about this number? 6.02 into 10 raised to the power of 23. 10 raised to the power of 23 means that the decimal point will take 23 jumps towards right. Please analyze the number. But 6.02 into 10 raised to the power of 23 is in scientific notation, and this number is in Arabic numeral system. However, the two numbers are same. Let's try to read this number in international place value system. As we know, the first three digits belong to hundreds, the next three digits belong to thousands, then there come millions, followed by billions, then the next three digits are of trillions, then the next three are of quadrillions. Then comes quintillion and the last three digits belong to sextillion. So this is 602 sextillion. This number is known as Avogadro's number, as this was given by Amedeo Avogadro, the great scientist. Hence, we can say that Avogadro's number is a collection of 6.02 into 10 raised to the power of 23 particles, or the things which you want to count. The Avogadro's number is represented by capital N subscript capital A. Let's have an idea that how huge this number is. If we place 6.02 into 10 raised to the power of 23 marble balls over the surface of the earth, then look what happens. This creates a 3 miles thick layer of marble balls around the surface of the earth. Very big number. Let's think another way. We want to count 6.02 into 10 raised to the power of 23 atoms. Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. But a computer counting with a speed of 10 million atoms per second would take 2 billion years to count 6.02 into 10 raised to the power of 23 atoms. Now let's have an idea that how small atoms are. There are two atoms on the screen. One is of hydrogen element and the other is of carbon element. This small balloon can contain 6.02 into 10 raised to the power of 23 atoms of hydrogen. The balloon is very small, approximately equal to a human hand. The palm of a hand can hold 6.02 into 10 raised to the power of 23 atoms of carbon. The amount is so small. This glass of water contains more water particles than the grains of sand in the Sahara Desert. At this stage, let's introduce the mole in our video. Avogadro's number can be linked with mole. 1 mole of anything contains 6.02 into 10 raised to the power of 23 particles of that thing. We can say that 1 mole of balls contain 6.02 into 10 raised to the power of 23 balls. We can also say 1 mole of atoms contain 6.02 into 10 raised to the power of 23 atoms. We can also say 1 mole of grains of sand contains 6.02 into 10 raised to the power of 23 grains of sand. We can also say 1 mole of sodium chloride contains 6.02 into 10 raised to the power of 23 formula units of salt. We can also say 1 mole of water contains 6.02 into 10 raised to the power of 23 molecules of water. The mole is the chemist's secret unit. A mole is defined as the amount mass of 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23 particles. It is abbreviated as mole. Is it the same as molar mass? Yes, the both are same. A molar mass is also the mass of 6.02 into 10 raised to the power of 23 particles. It is abbreviated as capital M. Hence, in simple words, molar mass and the mole are same. Can you guess 1 mole of hydrogen? This means we need to calculate the mass of 6.02 into 10 raised to the power of 23 atoms of hydrogen. This is 1.008 grams. This can be taken from periodic table. As it can be seen below the hydrogen, the number 1.008 is given. Such numbers are given for all the elements in the periodic table. If we place grams with this number, it becomes 1 mole of hydrogen. This means that 1.008 grams is the mass of 6.02 into 10 raised to the power of 23 atoms of hydrogen. Can you guess molar mass of carbon? This means we need to calculate the mass of 6.02 into 10 raised to the power of 23 atoms of carbon. This is 12.011 grams. Yes, we will search it from the periodic table. As I have already explained that 1 mole of anything is equal to the molar mass of that thing. Hence, molar mass can also be found from the periodic table. The number below carbon in periodic table is 12.011. If we place grams with 12.011, it becomes molar mass of carbon. This means that 12.011 grams is the mass of 6.02 into 10 raised to the power of 23 carbon atoms. What is the molar mass of sodium chloride? This means we need to calculate the mass of 6.02 into 10 raised to the power of 23 formula units of salt. The molar mass of sodium chloride can be calculated by adding the molar mass of sodium and molar mass of chlorine. Yes, we can search it from the periodic table. The molar mass of sodium is 22.990 grams and the molar mass of chlorine is 35.453 grams as taken from the periodic table. If we add these two numbers, we get 58.443 grams, which is the molar mass of sodium chloride. What is the molar mass of water? This means we need to calculate the mass of 6.02 into 10 raised to the power of 23 molecules of water. The molar mass of water can be calculated by using this equation. In this equation, the molar mass of hydrogen will be multiplied by 2 and then will be added to the molar mass of oxygen. Yes, we will again search it from the periodic table. The molar mass of hydrogen is 1.008 grams and the molar mass of oxygen is 15.999 grams as taken from the periodic table. According to the formula, the molar mass of water becomes 18.015 grams. Can you guess 1 mole of these balls? This means we need to calculate the mass of 6.02 into 10 raised to the power of 23 balls. This is not possible. Can you guess 1 mole of these grains of sand? This means we need to calculate the mass of 6.02 into 10 raised to the power of 23 grains of sand. This is not possible. Okay, so that brings us to the end of this video. Hopefully this video was somehow helpful to you. If it was, kindly drop a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.